I received a box in the mail today. I figured I'd do a quick box opening just so I could show you my progress. I think the OJ3 is starting to take shape. Still got to do the push rods. I did get the elevator or the aileron push rods hooked up, but the box opening is going to be for some radio gear, which is probably going to be the gear on this plane. So let's set you over here temporarily. Let's turn on some light. Cut this baby open and take a look and see what's inside. I've been waiting for the last few days for this. Oh good. They didn't put a whole bunch of crap in there. Yeah, here's one of the items I ordered. And they tape it right to the box. That's cool. Get it off there. Actually, the battery that I was thinking about using for this thing, it's a special order. It might not even fit. I don't know. Okay. Set this box aside. Now, 2.4 gigahertz. FHSS system, the RCB6i by Avionic. And when I saw this on the internet, I just couldn't pass it up because of its cheap price for one thing. I did watch a few reviews on it, and at about, what was it? I can't remember the distance, but it was over a mile, kilometer, 1.2 kilometers, I think it was. So range is good, and for the price, a 6-channel radio, you can't beat it. I mean, for what I paid for it, it's practically a throwaway. I mean, if it doesn't work, it wouldn't hurt my feelings. It's got a retractable antenna, which is kind of neat. Full size ergonomics. It's got 6 channels, 3-position switch on channel 5, 2-position switch on channel 6. That would be perfect for like flaps and retractable gear. It's got dual rates. Basically, it's a little miniature computer radio almost. It does have a 10 or an 8 model memory, which you can't beat, and it comes with its own little receiver, which you can't beat there either. And like I said, at was it 1.2 kilometers? Was that 1,200 meters? 1,200 meters is, I can't remember. I'd have to do the math. Maybe somebody can do the math. It's also got a plug in it right there so that you can hook it up to your PC so you can do flight simulators. So you can do practice with flight simulators. That's something I got to look into, is finding the plug to fit that. I seen one on YouTube. I just got to figure out where to order it from. It has all the trims. Got aileron, elevator, throttle trim. Oh, that's something else it's got too. Centering sticks, which you can modify. And apparently you can change it over. Right here, there's a switch to go from mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. Just by flipping this little lever over here. There we go. That's in mode 2 right there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And you can flip it over to mode 1 just by flipping that over. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, I do mode 2. And it's also got adjustable gimbals. So you can set the height of the gimbal for your own preference. That's pretty cool. You can't beat that. Got to make sure you tighten them up good when you get them adjusted. Perfect. I like that. Rudder. Anyhow, I just wanted to do a quick box opening. Later on I'll get it set up and see how it operates. Oh, it's got a timer on it, built-in timer. And I wanted to check this battery compartment. Okay, it uses that kind of battery. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. I ordered the right one. I might have to change the plug out. Yeah, I'll have to change the plug out to one of these to plug into there. But this is a 1600 milliamp per hour, 6 volt. Okay, this is a 4 cell, so that's be 6 volts. So this would be perfect, and it fits right in there. Put a little foam right there to keep it from bouncing around. I ordered the right one. It worked. And I was just guessing. Perfect. 1600 milliamp per hour. I should be good to go. And that's the first thing I'm going to do is modify it. Put that battery in there. Fits like a glove. And I got an extra little case thing. Awesome. So basically all I got to do is get another plug like this, which I have. Or, if you look at this, yeah, I can clip that and that'll plug right into that. Yeah, you just cut these off. And follow that off a little bit square so that it's not. Break the edge on it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that should plug right into there. Positive, positive, negative, negative. There we go. In there. I got a piece of foam here somewhere handy. I bet I do. Let me see if that worked. I sure did. Okay. Oh, okay. Perfect. Or, I'm not quite sure what that is. I'll have to read the instructions. Well, I like that. You turn it on, and if you got that throttle in any position besides the lowest level, it gives you an error message. That's cool. Look at the instructions real quick. The RCB 6i digital proportional FHSS technology. Says about the battery. Page 7. Here, page 7. Here's what I'm looking for. Features. Power supply. So my transmitter power supply, yeah, I picked the, it says power supply 3.7 to 8.4 volt integrated 4.8 800 milliamp per hour NIM battery. Well, I picked a 6 volt battery, which is a 1200, I think it was. 1600 milliamp per hour. 6 volt. Which is running at 6.7 volts, which is still good. That'll last me forever before I have to charge it. That's good. Perfect. Anyhow, I just wanted to do a quick box opening and show this off a little bit. This is going to be the radio for that plane, I believe. And a couple other planes that I'm building over here. And possibly the Tiger Moth. So I'll probably have to get another one of these receivers so that I can bind it to this one and bind it to others. So that's pretty good. I think I spent $35 on this, and if I'll leave a link in the description. You can't beat the price if they're even available anymore. I think it was on a quick sale deal, and they didn't have very many left, but 35 bucks, you can't beat it for an all-out 6-channel radio. It has enough features on it to where it's got a retractable handle, which is kind of cool. It's got a deal for a lanyard. Can't beat that. That's one thing I always appreciate on a cheap radio, is having a lanyard. Some of them cheap radios don't. Like some of my older radios, my 7200. So this one don't have a lanyard. It's an old Avionic system. This is one I bought off the internet for hardly nothing. I haven't even used it. I bought it because it was cheap. And I think I bought it mostly for parts. My other Avionics, my Vanguards are still good. Anyhow, I'm going to cut this short. I think I got enough video for a box opening. But yeah, you can't beat the price on this baby. I think I spent $40-some total with shipping, even with the battery. It's a 2/3 A type battery. As you can see, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cell, 6 volt. And the company that sold me this, Loft Hobbies, I believe it was, they also sell the batteries. So you can get them both at the same place. Very, very good idea. Okay, that's enough.